Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you something, but later for that. So none of you subscribed yet, so better subscribe now. I'm just 86.1% of you not subscribing, just 3.9% for you subscribing. Okay, now let's go. Hey guys, today we have some airplanes here that need fixing. Okay, so this is Cebu Pacific. It destroyed its wing from Cebu Pacific Flight 333. So here's the real video. I need to put the wing back. The plane was carrying 59 passengers, 13 crew members, and 2 pilots when something exploded in the wing. Then this happened. It shaked and lost its wing. But it was good that the tail was found. Then it was being brought back into the airport and getting ready for it to be fixed again. So I'm gonna get the wing back. And here we have Philippine Airlines Boeing 777-300ER broke its cabin from Philippine Airlines Flight 99. Like in the other video, I tell about Philippine Airlines Flight 100. Flight 100, it was the pilot flight that after it was landing, carrying 100 passengers, 2 crew members and 2 pilots, then landed roughly with the cabin broke. Then it was spot here, and the landing gear broke too. So I'm going to put them back into the right place. So I think it won't fall. Please don't fall. There we go. Okay, we're gonna put back. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Oh. Okay, bye guys. Make sure to subscribe to Airplane Fun. Part 2 is coming soon. Bye.